Amankwah ba ediba Xposed so na me catch us baby bia o bia aha Xposed na enkomo aye betwetwe no wonim say ukọ Nigeria na sese no enkra beto no etwese Tinubu the Jagaban man wono ene wedi the president or the president elect of Nigeria but taking the seat from Buhari, even though our Buhari party him and chair very soon he be sworn in as the next president of Nigeria, and he has won it. Even though Peter Obi was the heart of the people and all that, and any decision and win here. If Peter Obi didn't call for court there, to question how the election went there. Now issue and more especially in the MPP has raised a concern. Abraham TV Akotena UTV our MPP communication whatever it is all say senior happen in Nigeria no. That is what is going to happen in Ghana. I didn't think our workers are because Buhari ejai power no ediama Tinubu na Tinubu so at power no, so obviously look like Ghana for no matter what situation because Oshe the Buhari dey Nigeria akoswa. Now I don't think said Tinubu was the person who has to even win the election. So baby need be cry maybe another 8 years and 4 years later maybe the oba na nye but ya to aba even no matter what say ofi party edi Nigeria akọ all this economic crisis and all that still nkofo eto aba dem edi mano and Abraham so actually say the esi one Nigeria it will happen in Ghana dem fan shey yitiri say Alan Chamantin Kwadwo Chamantin ono obewini flag bearership of the MPP na edu abato no ni Mahama whoever will come from the opposition of NDC there on this anipani Gina Alan Chamantin and Ebefa, and this will be a shock to all Ghanaians. Way a question a same way and a brand tea yaka by yanko tea in summer on one case a free nanwa okay.
Now it's Nigeria ede person say yes you Nigeria and BBC Ghana so akokra bi di akokra de enya akokra 7 year kan na de ye kan almost say Nigeria and Ghana no since 1999 Nigeria for returning to democratic rule no so on say owura akofo oni Obasanjo ne bai otie omo wie ye no omko ye no Professor Mills ene Yaradua e bai omo enu bai no obi a say bi ewu akonya ne so na me fo mo kransie yi ene omo so koye omo koye no ene owura Mahama ene Jonathan good luck Jonathan e bai ye owura Mahama ne Jonathan bai no so bi a betwa one term ene omko gu ye ene na Akufo Addo so ene Buhari e bai ye etina na Addo ni Buhari bai ye no Nigeria for kwa akoto aba eyi di obedi Buhari ade no opanyini ba ko ene onu wadi nkunim eye Bola Ahmed Tinubu onu say be former minister of state was a governor Lagos okani paying say obodo okan eduru me so ne bi say eduru ni so na omo vice president ne kwa omo be di encho kese ozi banyo omo de ne kwa omo obedi encho kese party be di APC be di encho kese and na party delegates ni tie ye e de ade ne ema Tinubu ba ye no ene nkunindie aye party ne dia the same thing na yesu ye die ebesi party for ne de be she owura Chematensa as former minister obedi nkunim ama MPP ama ye 12 ye be wuram se the APC akon na MPP su be wuram
I was for obia enka se yentu aba enfama Alan Chamantin ana obi ntu aba ema Baumia ana obi ntu aba ema Mahama opegana ye anko no so tebia na otiso no oye nyoma ni ye akebia odini 8 years pepepe. But the question is statement na Abranti ekan am I friend here akro statement here Abranti atina channel is working am I friend here akro se Ghana for per money year in taking it serious babaka asem no very important. Why? Because we have an easier work actually many will say ene se uye Ghana ni a eye Ghana ka ne be chese yo Ghana ni enya wo maame ne wo papa e wo ne chese uye Ghana ni. That is what Jane Mensa echo parliament and bra okokan o se wo awo aye wo en chese uye Ghana ni sa same way na mami e ka kire enti sa na tie bia no ye the Ghana card ene be ye voters register no na ama voting no aye credible nti na che say nkofo mu bedi Ghana so free jeje abreso ebesi Akufo-Addo abreso yi na ya fa Ghana abanto omo no eye sebi endwan sebio emponche endwan ene akronfo ti nkofo mu free krofo so ene be ma sankofo yi eba power wo hwe de Jemensa ekana that means your elections are happening in abesi there even e me odi Akufo-Addo kra ba power no enye credible because nkofo no akronfo ene nkofo a ensem fata so beto aba nso ni na echi no oyi president eno ena opese mene wo Ghana ni yenti ase eye Ghana card ne be kire se wo ye Ghana ni it voters ID can ye pa yempe o odi akọ initiative a ye de akọ parliament kire se ye ne dan ya ye pese ye de Ghana card no eye voters ID card we no mo fanhye mutirim se a brand new statement I will make here it account to something ye wo man for past years enye wo bia ena enya ne Ghana card se we NDC o se we MPP o enye nkofo bia ena enya ne Ghana card it is say ye ba na ye se ye voters ID card no efufuro a bibisa a question wa woni Ghana card no wo be ye sen akoye ID card fufuro eno nso di wentwi asem ye den ebeba na ye be kasa saa na ya kaya no atomu ana if you are a youth and I would drink Ghana ho a the abranti tinas ya wakan no and once he taking it slight he knows what they are talking about because etumesi wa Nigeria anka ebia ensi wa Nigeria there will surely be a feeling in them so ade no kra ensi wa Nigeria my enye bibia e be sell mine but if yes Nigeria's election have been able to be manipulated to bring in someone who is not credible to be on the seat by force then in front to yetirim say the government in power has the power over all of us. Into onim de bi obetumaye e de wini power wo enye wo choice and e be reflect e bi at the 2024 election. Yenhwe ye ho so ye na yenhwe se oman no e be credible. Waka na asem e bi obeka so oye MPP no oka se alanchemanten e bedi. But me ne wa ye tie. Yes, say we MPP ni say we NDC ni. MPP ni ankasa nim say no. Say ye bedi even 2024 election e bia endi yentimi ndi e bia NDC ba no ntumi anya the next year e bia e beto amaye nanso obi a won the right senses onim say no say ya nye manipulation of election 2024 obi no wa ko no hwa amammo ya ye nemu a obeka se mekoto ma aba e dia ma ye fe ni say Akufo-Addo amammo with how hard na ya komne taxes aya impose on us na ye ni anwo ye bekasa na evia ma me ne papa mako ma wugiem o musika o mu wokra ye kwakoje o mfrem sem no na ebia metima kan o mesre anwo aye den anwo den. So let me tell you something, we need to take this very serious. Whatever this guy is saying there, it's not a joke, it needs to be taken serious. We don't need to take it like he's just saying something out of a political talk. The government in power has the right and the power to do things more than the opposition. If the opposition can do anything worse, is to organize the youth to retaliate and cause commotion in the country and communities. But remember, it is the government in power that controls the armed forces of the country, the security, because the president is the first in command to all these security agencies. So he can command them to do whatever. And the president, even though we have the EC is an independent body, but in Ghana, it is the president who appoints the EC. One of the walkway of our constitution, a work thing. And this person is in power. The president has, so if we cannot have 100% authority over that person, so let me tell you something, no matter what it is, there is surely a 70% power over the person. Unless the choice and the demand of the people says that the president in power or whoever is coming into power, we don't need them, that no matter the manipulation, they can't do anything, that they will elect that, oh, this is the president of Ghana. But when the election is being tighter, I'm telling you, there is surely a way of manipulating the election for the to manipulate and give the power to the president or the one who is in power or who is in government. That thing is easy to be played. Into the papa ya kan e ma ye mfendi agro ebetumi esi na na aha and I'm a do ebesi. Me am a did jumedi and enkomoy ebrono. My name is Limo Alikim Kwame. I'm a gang. Uber to me, I'm from African. That's an ebesi share my Bye bye.